Welcome to Settlers Square, an Alex Meisner community located just north of Cedar City in Enoch, Utah. Welcome to the Dayton at Settlers Square. The Dayton is a 1,700 square foot plan featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Upon entering the home, the large windows invite you into the main living space. Many homeowners choose to add an electric or gas fireplace to the living room, as well as additional built-ins for shelving. Across from the living area is the kitchen and dining space. The kitchen comes standard with stunning custom wood cabinetry, a spacious center island, and a corner pantry. In the master bedroom, you'll find tons of natural light welcomed in through the large windows. The master bathroom features dual sinks, as well as the same stylish fixtures and finishes as the rest of the home. As you explore the secondary bedrooms, you'll find that Alex Meisner Construction has truly thought out every detail of the home, allowing it to fit the needs of so many homeowners. Just off the garage is the laundry room, as well as a designated mudroom space, where many homeowners choose to add custom built-ins. An unfinished basement is a popular upgrade for homeowners choosing the Dayton. This gives your family additional square footage and room to grow. As always, front yard landscaping is included when you purchase a home at Settlers Square. For more information on the Dayton or other floor plans at Settlers Square, contact our sales agent, Jenny Vossler of ERA Realty Center. She can be reached by call or text at 435-559-1260.